Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an overview of the Twosun Ts81. So this is a earlier model. It has also a full titanium variant with different inserts. So if you are looking for that, you can also check it out. So this is the Ts81-G10. This one comes in three variants. This is the black and white layered G10, then you have your brown and black and a neon green variant. So this is a Wong design made by Twosun knives, of course. You can see Wong design. This one is in D2. We have a backspacer, probably black G10. Nice milled out pocket for weight reduction. Let me give you the specifications. So we have a over length of 22.5 centimeters or 8.86 inches. The blade length is 9.6 centimeters or 3.75 inches. The handle length is 12.7 centimeters or 5 inches. The blade thickness is 3.8 millimeters or 0.15 inch. The handle width is 2.6 centimeters or 1.02 inches, and the handle thickness is the blade width is 2.6 centimeters or 1 inch, and the handle thickness is 1.8 centimeters or 0.71 inches. We have a standard belt satin finish on the blade and 3D textured G10 scales with a nice 3D milled texturing, so it will give you a nice purchase. The liners are made out of 420 stainless steel. The knife, of course, rides on bearings, so KVT ball bearing system. A detent ball ramp is applied, as you can see there. The weight comes at 133 grams or 4.7 ounces. We have a really nice deep carry pocket clip, which has a nice bend to it, so it will be no problem to put it inside your pocket. Let me give you the pocket profile. So we have a deep carry, of course, so this is how much it will stick out, so just a tiny portion right there. Okay, the centering is really nice and centered. We have a two screw construction, so one is the pivot, one is the back screw right here. We have no lanyard hole, but if you need to put a lanyard on it, you can probably do it via this opening here. Like I mentioned, this is a liner construction, so you have a cutout, no milling, but no problems to disengage there. You can also use this opening here, but it is not how the knife was intended to be opened. Flicking it out is probably not possible. So You have no milling on the there is a milling on the flipper tab. Yeah, so definitely nice action right there. And I'm really happy to see that even on these lower priced versions, they do put the ball detent ramp there. So that definitely helps with the action. It's just a small touch, but good to see that they care. Okay, now let's see a few size comparisons. So let's start with the Spyderco Endura. Here is also Spyderco Delica. Here is Red Model 1. Bug Vintage Pro. Large Griptilian Benchmade. Kershaw Skyline. Then we have Giant Mouse Ace Grand. Bug Sprint Pro. Two Knives Sivo. Okay, so price wise you are looking at around $40. These are available directly to Twosun's store page on AliExpress, or you can also sometimes see them at the eBay reseller they have, but mostly you will have to bid on them if you like one. If you would like to purchase right away, then you can definitely go and check out their storefront on AliExpress and get it there. So definitely for the price, this is a decent knife and also a nice design. There's really not much to be said. Twosun knives, in my opinion, a high quality value proposition for your money. So if you like the, let's say the more expensive version, the full titanium one, I don't want to pay that much money, then definitely it's nice to have an option that you can choose from, and also different color variants. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but also sometimes hobby stuff like Warhammer and unboxing of different kind of tools and items that I collect. Okay, so wish you a wonderful day and see you soon. Bye.